Hi, all of you. How are you? I think all of you are great and fine. Now, this is my first video, which I want to something describing you, which will you just listen something about my conversation. Actually, whatever you see in my background, this is our field. Actually, in my father is a businessman, or we can say as a farmer. I will show you in the end of video. This is the 1 acre field, we can say, of the banana. So don't worry, I will show you. Actually, whatever in our country, in other country where used to speak English, there is very accent is different, we can say. Many one who very interested, or we can say very curious to learning English, but they unable to learning English. What's the reason is that any person, we can say, but they only used to trying to watching video, just like any famous person or a sport person or a politician, or we can say any kind of it. So this is the problem which faced many time. So they want to learning English, but they unable to learning English. Just I want to tell you something is that the common is that many one understand English, but they unable to speak English. Any person, any other co-learner, any against we can say co-learner, when they speak English, they understand all thing what's their opinion when they speaking. Just to take example, right now whatever I'm speaking, you already understand what I am speaking. You all thing understand. But the main thing, when there is come to for conversation, when there is come to for talking, then you unable to speak. So I'm talking about for who know English, but they unable to speak. They understand all things. There is the main problem is that they unable to speak. What's the main problem? The main problem is that any guy or any student or any we can say social people, they do not practice. This is the main problem, or we can say they unable to achieve their environment for English conversation. Only they getting their environment, we can say native there. So that's why they try to speak only their native language. They do not speak English. So this is the main problem, we can say. And if you want to improve your English, then there is the necessity you should have to practice again and again. Whenever you trying to speak anything by on yourself, you just practice. If you are mistaking any English, don't little bit you will recognize on yourself in a day, or we can say in a week, or in a month, or in a year. You obviously you will understand that what's the amazing. You will feel that this is very great achievement for you, we can say, or also for me, we can say. And right now whatever I'm speaking, just I am sometime, we can say, I'm trying to speaking, but what we will say to the next co-learner or next we can say a student or any guys unable to recognize. So this type of problem, it will be far from you when you are conversate with yourself again and again. So actually what I am practicing, how I practicing English, we can say, just like we can say, I just pick up any topic for English conversation. Actually when I am in my room, there is many material, or we can say many substances is to be living around me. Just I pick up any topic, just like we can say refrigerator, fan, bulb, book, pen, many thing in our room. Just I pick up one topic about refrigerator. Just I am continuously speaking about a refrigerator 5 minutes continuously. That is non-stoppable. Then I'm taking another topic, just like you suppose that I'm talking about bulb. What is bulb? How bulb is glow? What's the region? Who invented bulb? So whatever that in my mind is to be going, just I speaking continuously. There is non-stoppable. When you're doing like this, your fluency will be going to improve, your thinking level will be going to improve. There is many achievement you can also easily find. So literally I'm also doing like this, and anyhow I will improve my English conversation. And nowadays just I'm practicing myself, and some application I'm also using to improving my English. Just so in this way literally I will improve my English, and I'm just sharing you what I feel and how my English is improving myself. Literally when I'm starting English conversation, then I unable to speak clearly. But the main problem, I understand all things initially when I in beginner times when I used to speaking about that's the main problem is that anyone understand English but they are unable to speak. This is the problem. And for me, we can also say that I'm also understanding English but I am not able to speak. Why? Because I'm not practicing, and nowadays we are practicing. I'm practicing. That's why my English is to be something I'm just speaking about, and you are listening, and something you are understanding. My great achievement for me, whatever I'm speaking nowadays, literally whatever that's I'm just speaking by myself, and I feel very good because something I am speaking in front of you, literally. So this is the amazing session, and I will show you my field.
I could be your love, baby. Let me see your heart. You could be my love, baby. Come to my heart, come to me. I want you, come to me. Oh, baby, come to me. I want you, come to me. I could be your love, baby. Let me see your heart. You could be my love, baby. Come to my heart, come to me. I want you, come to me. Oh, baby, come to me. I want you, come to me. Late for hiding, don't miss opportunity. Catch your possibility. Oh, baby, come to me. Too late for hiding, don't miss opportunity. Catch your possibility. Oh, baby, come to me.
Thank you for connecting from this video. I will show you another video. So thank you. Nice to meet you.